going on, guys? Just got the short block motor in. Picked it up yesterday, so now we can start putting it back in the sled and getting this thing back up and running. First thing I'm gonna do is clean up this Y pipe and get ready to put on the engine. Just a little update. Got a wire brush and a drill. It's cleaned up pretty good. So I want to make sure it's nice and clean before I paint it so it actually lasts and doesn't rust through within a year. So takes a little bit of time, but try and do it right. With the Y pipe all prepped. It's not perfect. Couldn't get all the little rust out of it, but a lot better than what it was. So time to throw some paint at it. Got the Y pipe all painted up. Turned out pretty good. Should do the trick. Just got the last coat of paint on the pipe. Should be all done once it dries up. Got the pipe covers all polished up. It's not perfect, but looks a lot better than it was. So yeah, the whole exhaust system should be all done now. Just got the sled pulled in. Got all the parts over there. Got the new short block here. Gonna start putting it all back together. And back into the sled. Clean this all up. Yeah, hopefully get it running today. We'll see how she goes. Got the engine base plate all mounted up, torqued down. Got the head on, got the Y pipe on. Now I'm gonna start putting on the water pump cover and all the things that go with that. Got the new crank seal installed. Just gotta put some sealant on here and throw it onto the engine. Got the water pump housing on, all torqued down. I'm gonna put the stator on, flywheel, all that stuff. Start buttoning it up. Got the stator on, got the flywheel on, got those other pieces on, new water pump belt. Just gotta put a new rope in the recoil and put this all back together. Got the new recoil rope on, cover back on. Gonna leave the oil pump off for now so I can prime it once it's in the sled. Got the reeds in. Now the whole motor should be ready to drop in the sled. So now I just gotta clean all this up. Took the fuel pump off, rebuild it, change that motor mount, rebuild the carbs, and piece it all back together. Getting closer. Got the engine bay cleaned up a bit, pulled off the fuel pump, and I'm gonna start rebuilding this fuel pump. Just finished rebuilding the fuel pump. These old parts. Gonna put this back on the sled now. Got the fuel pump back on, got a new fuel filter on. The engine mount's being a little bit of a pain, so I'll put some WD-40 on it and hopefully it loosens up a little bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna rebuild these carbs. Almost done rebuilding the carbs. This one's done. Just gotta put this one back together and the carbs will be all done. Got the engine mount replaced. Now it's ready for the motor to go back in, so got it all together. Go put it back in the sled. The biggest struggle I can see is getting that lower coolant hose on. Once the engine's in here, it's kind of a pain to get at, but hopefully I'll get her. Got the motor in, took a little bit of fighting. Getting that coolant hose on down there is quite the pain, but finally got it. Just took a little bit of effort. I think I got everything almost wrapped up here. All the oil lines ran. I just have the oil pump wide open for now for when I first start it. Just get as much oil as I can. Stator things are plugged in. Coolant hoses are hooked up. Pulse lines on. Just gotta put the carbs and air box on and it should be ready for a first fire. And put the exhaust back in too. Along with some fresh plugs. Got everything in the sled. It's not all properly fastened down or secured, but I just wanted to get it all together for the first startup and see if everything works before I tie everything down and put everything how it's supposed to be. So just fill up some coolant, mix some gas, throw the gas in it, and it should be time for first test fire. Well, she started. Just did the first little heat cycle on it. Trying to burp out the cooling system there. Kind of just threw it together, so there's some exhaust leaks and other stuff, but just want to make sure the motor ran before I button everything up perfectly. Yeah, started up. It's good to see. I was a little nervous, but worked out. Should be good to go. So yeah, ordered a new short block. Got that in. Put a new water pump belt on. Rebuilt the carbs, rebuilt the fuel pump. Put a new motor mount on. And yeah, that's about it. Redid the exhaust. And yeah, that's how she is. It's good to see it finally running again. There we go, 7 irons up and running again. It's good to see it finally running. It's probably the most I'm gonna do for it this summer. Later this fall, I'll get a new clutch sheave to put on. Also gonna put some new carb boots and probably throw in some new reeds. Might go with V-Force 3 reeds, just if I'm already replaced them, might as well just get the little fancier ones, but should be worth the money. Yeah, other than that, pretty happy with it. It's unfortunate that blew up, but just got a fresh motor in it now. Still a little ugly on the outside, but I have to wait a year or two to fix that up. The sled budget for next year went mostly to the motor, so probably just gonna ride it as is for the next winter, but excited and looking forward to it. Thanks for watching, guys. Try to keep you updated if I do anything else to it, but that should be it for a little while now.